Invest into 7 ventures. Yes, even 8. For you do not know what disaster may come upon the land. Ecclesiastes 11:2. Guys, as you know, I've been in this season of working multiple jobs. And every time you get on YouTube, you just look left, you look right. Someone's always being laid off. Someone's always being let go of their job. Someone just lost a job. Someone's been furloughed. Someone's been let go. Someone's been restructured. Any word you want to use, people have been getting turned upside down. And I've been making it part of my mission in this current season of my life to not be in that position. Now, we can never plan for everything. We're not fortune tellers. We don't know. But you can place certain investments into yourself and certain contingencies that you can do to somewhat protect yourself from the unknown, somewhat give you a better fighting chance than from just being turned upside down on your head and robbed of all your pocket change. All right. So one thing that I've been really exploring these days, man, and I've been really happy about is really developing, diversifying, and having multiple streams of income. Now, some folks are a little bit against this sometimes, as they believe it diverts your attention span and you're kind of decent at everything, but never a master at anything, right? But for me, here's my problem with that, especially in today's age right now. Many masters right now are losing their jobs. People who have been consistently loyal 10, 20, 30 years are losing jobs and being laid off. Folks, the problem with this that I'm seeing in 2025 and 2026 is that this loyalty ain't repaying you. These singular job incomes, they can strip it from you at any moment. And why would you want someone, anyone, any entity to have that much power over you in your circumstances? I encourage you guys not to get complacent. I encourage you to continue to work on those latent skills, abilities, or talents that you may have. Start to develop them in a soft or strong way. Don't allow a job to consume all of your creativity, all of your identity, and all of you. You've got to continue to separate that this job can cut ties with you at any point. Remember, everything is at will on both sides. So you should always continue to develop yourself, develop those skills, guys. Don't let them stay dormant because you put all your eggs into one basket, always depending on your job. And then what's going to happen if you lose your job, which you don't have control over? The reality is you do not own your job. And all of these other entities and industries have proven that no matter what you're schooling, don't matter if you got the degree, you can be let go at any point. So just continue to work on your talents, work on those things that you may be good at, but you're not giving yourself enough time to actually be decent at. So for the rest of this video, I'm going to go over what my plan is to continue to have multiple streams of income. And I think it's a good plan, man. I think it's a foolproof way to move forward, at least until things can settle in the job market today. And for me, I have my first job. I have my main job that I've had for a couple years now. Number 2, I have my new part-time job, which plays into my strength a little bit because it's in the fitness industry. That's one tip that I would give you. Try to find different avenues that play into maybe one of your gifts, maybe one of your talents, maybe one of your interests. That way it makes tolerating it a lot easier than if you have to be forced to work multiple jobs. Another way that I'm coming at you guys trying to get my income up. Number 3 is YouTube. This produces income, whether it's a side income or not. We all know that we get paid from ad revenue. When you have an audience that watches your videos, you get paid as well. Now, is it earth-shattering money? No. But is it good side money? And is it a good another stream of income? Because you have no idea where your YouTube journey could take you. You could blow up overnight. You really don't know. That's why I'm making it a part of my plan. So I have my 2 jobs. I have my YouTube revenue. From my YouTube, we can get more into a digital sort of standpoint. Try to create a brand. Try to create a product. I wonder if you guys would buy a Shields Media ebook on finances or a Shields Media ebook on how to buy a used car with cash. See, maybe I can take what I'm building here and start to develop products so that my audience who may want to support me but also get something back, we can do an equal exchange. You have to get creative. Digital currency is legit currency in 2025 and beyond. People are making real money from the internet right now, guys. It ain't about just laboring and slaving your hard work away. People are making real money from digital products, the internet right now. So we got to open up our mind, and we got to get out there and start opening up to what's actually possible when it comes to opening up new revenue streams. One thing I've always talked about, man, is you could spend your life building someone else's dream at a job, and due to one restructuring process, that whole thing could be gone. Everything that you sacrificed for that particular job could be gone because it's not yours. You don't own it. You have no ownership over it. All you have is promises and your hard work, and sometimes they both don't work out. So I'm trying to convince people that now is the time. What more examples do you need? What more examples do you need that now more than ever, you have got to try to get that bank account green as many times as possible a week. You need to be seeing checks deposit from all angles and areas, because that's the type of economy that we are moving into right now. And I just couldn't fathom right now. I mean, I love everything that I have going on right now. I couldn't imagine just having one singular income right now. I mean, yes, you could if it's a, outstanding number, but everything's so shaky right now. I don't trust anything. I don't trust any one company. I don't trust any one job. I want everything to serve and do my bidding. I want to take what I have and multiply. I want my money to have a job, and my money's job is to go and make me more money. So we need multiple sources to fuel and fund certain aspirations and things we have in our life. So for me, guys, this is part of my plan. I'm trying to get my net worth up. In 2026, I'm going to start my net worth update journey, where we all start counting up that net worth together. Who knows where we're going to actually get to, but I'm excited because this is the type of conversations we should be having. These are the type of goals that we should be setting. So again, guys, this video was just, honestly, it's just a personal vlog type of video. I don't know what you really want to call this one. It doesn't really fit inside of my schedule I have for content. But I just wanted to make this one before the holidays. Enjoy your holidays, rest for Thanksgiving. Get your energy back. Stay away from Black Friday. But I just wanted to pop in one more time before we go on a little break, and I give you guys a break from seeing my face and hearing all my preaching a little bit. But I just wanted to briefly talk about diversifying the income. As I learn more about this, I will continue to share it with you guys. But right now, I don't know. I got on YouTube, and all you see is just folks losing their job, and I'm just like, man, that's not going to be me, man. Sympathy to them, but I'm gonna have more than one income out here. Whether it is 2 jobs, 3 jobs, side hustles, whatever way you get it, you go get it that way. Y'all let me know down in the comment section below, what are some ways that you have multiple streams of income? Thank you for watching the video. God bless you guys. Enjoy your rest. Have a great day. And thank you for sharing the content. Peace.